Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today's episode is called No More Blues. It's all about styling gray denim. I know most people in their closets have white denim and multiple colors of shades and washes of blue denim. And you probably have some black denim. But does everybody have gray denim? Gray denim is another staple that you should have in your closet, whether it be boot cut, straight leg, distressed, non-distressed, skinny. You can do anything. And you have multiple shades, washes, and styles of gray jeans. They're just as versatile as a blue jean, but it's something different, and it's still neutral. So I'm going to show you a couple different outfits today of styling gray denim, all right? So give me a second. I'm going to set you up so you can see the outfit that I'm wearing today. Just yesterday, I posted my video of Code Color, and in one of the episodes, I was styling a pair of gray skinny jeans. And I have on those same skinny jeans today, and in that episode, I had it paired with the gray tank from White House Black Market that had ruffles down the front in a snakeskin pattern and a long dark gray charcoal duster. So today I have on the same pair of jeans from White House Black Market. They're just a gray skinny style jegging. And I just mixed it up, and I have this gray and white stripe t-shirt. It's a long sleeve tee, okay, from Target, believe it or not. It's a new day. And with it, I have paired this, I believe this is a Tommy Hilfiger knit blazer from Macy's that I got a couple years ago. So with this, I also have paired a pair of red pumps that have that kind of Mary Jane style, so they actually stay on my feet, and a red belt. The shoes are extremely comfortable. They're by the company called Lifestride. Extremely comfortable. They're a red patent leather pointed toe. I think this would make a great spring transition outfit. I think it's pretty nautical in nature, and it's something else than just blue jeans or gray jeans, right? So this is my outfit for today. All right, give me a minute and I'll style the next outfit. Next outfit I have on, I didn't switch the jeans. I'm trying to show you how versatile the same pair of jeans is and how you can mix up outfits. So I kind of went from a nautical feel to more of like a night out with girlfriends feel. So this is just an off-white shell type of top that I got from White House Black Market. It has like burgundy and light pink flowers in it with the dark gray and black as stems on the flowers. And I paired it with this blank NYC faux suede. I guess it's a moto style with like a draped front jacket that I got years and years ago. I think from Nordstrom, like on a clearance, probably about 4 years ago. Again, the same White House Black Market skinny jeans. And this time I paired them, let me bring it down so you can see them, with my dark red boots, or booties, okay? And these are from Mark Fisher. At least I think they're from Mark Fisher. And I believe I got them in a trunk club a couple years ago, or 2 years ago. So this is my outfit for today, or not today, that I'm styling right now for No More Blues. So a completely different look than that other outfit, which had a much more nautical feel. Give me a minute, I'm gonna do another outfit. Next up is what I would consider like a chic outfit, maybe out for dinner or something. This is a White House Black Market. It's a combination dress / jacket. They show actually worn two ways. I like it open as a jacket, paired with a Ralph Lauren polo basic turtleneck. This is a Kendra Scott pendant and the gray jeans. And I'll pan down and you can see the boots. They're my leopard print from BP that I got, again, probably about 4 or 5 years ago from Nordstrom's. And they were like $50. So I think this is a very chic outfit. So you don't always have to do the camel with the black or the white. You can also add in the gray, all right? They're neutrals and they mix very well together. So this is the next outfit. Okay, give me a minute. Now maybe you like the color combination of that last outfit, but maybe it was a little too fashion forward or chic for you, or you don't have the long duster type of jacket to pull it off. You can do the same thing and make it a little bit more conservative with the traditional camel blazer. So this time I have on a camel, or maybe even a little bit darker than camel, like a cognac turtleneck. Again, the same gray jeans, and the camel cardigan. The cardigan is from J. Crew. The top is also from J. Crew Outlet, I should say. The same gray jeans from White House Black Market. And I have it paired with a pair of knee boots that I got from Nordstrom a few years ago by the brand Something Navy. So this is something, if your office allows you to wear jeans, that would be very, very appropriate to wear to the office. All right? All right, next outfit. Give me a minute. All right, if you need a casual daytime outfit for some shopping, again, here's a poncho by, it's by Evereve. I don't remember the name brand exactly, but I got it from Evereve. Super soft, and again, the gray jeans, and this time I have a pair with the gray pair of Michael Kors booties. Okay, so this would be another appropriate outfit and for the middle of the day for like shopping or something, okay? And give me a second and I will show you another outfit with the gray jeans. Okay, here's another look. Like, what happens if you have an office day and you have a dinner date at night, right? You can just throw on this blazer. This is from Stitch Fix. It's from Skies Are Blue. Super soft blazer. Highly recommend this blazer if you ever get it. It's super stretchy, super comfortable. It has the 3/4 sleeves that you can absolutely roll up. You know, it's just a super soft, comfortable knit, not even a cardigan. It feels like a cardigan, but it's a blazer. And it has pockets here, which I never opened up. I have it paired with this blouse. I believe this is a Rachel Roy blouse, I think, or maybe, yeah, perhaps from Nordstrom. I got it quite some time ago. And again, my gray jeans, and I kept on the same pair of gray booties. Okay, let me pan down so you see the booties. Now, when you have that date, you wear the jacket while you're at the office. And then when you have the date, you just remove the jacket and you see you have the puff sleeves, the square neck, the little flounce here on the sleeves, and it's a completely different look, not as so stuffy it is with the jacket on. So the point I'm trying to make to all of you is, if you don't have gray denim, go get a pair, because they're extremely versatile, just as versatile as blue jeans, just like black with just a different shade and wash, and that can be styled in many different ways. Thank you again for continuing to support my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.